challenges like stiff competition and high costs, some businesses record successful stories. Our reporter Agnes Okumu has more.
Boutique businesses around Kebab University are thriving as students and staff demand for affordable fashion. Many small-scale entrepreneurs have opened shops offering trendy clothes, shoes, and accessories tailored to youthful tastes.
Shule imefunguliwa, wanafunzi wakiwa wamepata help. At least there is that circulation of money, and therefore we as business people, at least tunapata wanakuja wananunua wanatupromote.
However, traders face challenges including high rent, stiff competition, and fluctuating customer spending during holidays when students leave campus.
Napata ile time ni watu wameenda long holiday, wanafunzi hawako, so hiyo market hakuna. So tunaenda tunalipa rent for like 4 months without any operation going on.
Boutique owners say the university community remains their biggest support base and call for reduced rent and better business spaces to encourage more young ventures. Okumu Agnes, Weekly News Roundup.
Thank you, Agnes Okumu, for that report. That brings us to the end of our weekly news.